Alright, hello. We're back with another one. And today's figure might not. It's from a movie that was not that good. But I liked it. I enjoyed it. But the figure itself is pretty nice. And it was a very good price too. I believe it was like $23 on Amazon. It's another DC figure. So let me show you. Black Adam. This is Black Adam from the DCU, and it stands 12 inches or 30 centimeters. It's a PVC statue. Black Adam. The Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson version. Let's open it up. I think it looks really nice. Looks really good. And for that price, it's hard to beat that. I don't see any weird, obvious mistakes, at least not off the bat. Definitely looks like The Rock. So again, this is the Dwayne Johnson Black Adam figure from McFARLANE Toys. I got this one off of Amazon. And I'm pretty happy with it. It looks great. Just one last close-up of everything. I like how it looks like rusty, or like sand, like when it first came out of the prison that he was in. The movie could have been a lot better, but I still enjoyed it for what it was. That's how you know they did a good job. The only one thing I would say about this is that these right here, they don't really like sit on him. You see, they rest above him. But, you know, that's just one small nitpick. And I like that he looks like his hands look a little dirty. And I'm almost certain that's intentional. Because if it's not, well then, I don't know what to say about that. Then that's a really big mess up. But it looks like intentional. Now see some of that right there on his like forearms. That, I'm not sure if that's intentional. It almost seems like it would be. Just because like the character of Black Adam has been around for thousands of years, so I feel like it is, but if it's not, it's a really small thing for me, so I'm not gonna get too worked up about it, or even worked up about it at all. You like see that? That makes me think all that is intentional, just because of the way that his suit looks worn. But anyways, this is the Black Adam figure from McFarlane Toys. Thanks for watching.